Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Please make sure you're subscribed. Pi network surges past Hedera amid market slump. One major factor inspiring this Pi coin's resilience is growing speculation around a potential Binance listing. While most tokens are seeing staggering devaluations today, the Pi network's Pi coin has defied the odds, climbing 5%. As of this publication, the cryptocurrency has secured a spot as the 11th largest crypto by market cap, overtaking Hedera. Pi network defies market downturn. Since last weekend, the crypto market has been up and down, witnessing losses that, averagely, may even be heavier than the gains it saw at some point. So much so that many whales have sold off their holdings, while others are holding off from making any further investments. The situation has also seen a vast majority of tokens, including top ones such as Bitcoin, BTC, $84.864, ETH, $2.128, SOL, $141.70, etc., shedding significant parts of their values in such a short time. Despite this, however, market data shows that Pi coin is putting up a strong performance that is quite rare at the moment. On Tuesday, the value for a Pi coin initially rose by over 5% in 24 hours to attain a day high of $1.85. As of this publication, however, the price stands at $1.73, still up 0.21% over the last 24 hours. On the weekly chart, Pi is also up 11.11%, pushing its market cap to $12.02 billion. Pi's performance is particularly noteworthy given the timing that it displaced Hedera, HBAR, to 12th place on the global crypto market standing. The displacement comes at a time when Hedera is seeing hype over a possible ETF listing. Despite news of the potential listing, which initially instigated a rallying for the token, HBAR has now dipped 7% to $0.2303. The recent correction has also taken its market capitalization down to $9.65 billion. Related article, Pi network token gains 86% support in Binance community vote for potential listing. Similarly, top digital tokens such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, XRP, and Solana, SOL, have dropped between 9% and 15%. This explains the market's surprise seeing Pi coin buck the trend. In any case, investors remain cautious as they wait patiently to see what's next for the token. What's driving Pi coin's growth? As CoinSpeaker earlier reported, one major factor inspiring this Pi coin's resilience is growing speculation around a potential Binance listing. Since the poll that Binance conducted last month about listing the token on their platform, the Pi network community has been pushing for the exchange to add the token. In fact, a popular hashtag #ListPi on Binance now has been a trending conversation on X. As would be expected, a decision by Binance to list Pi coin would not only bring a new wave of interest and investment, it will also further drive up its price. There appear to be a few more reasons behind the unexpected price surge of Pi. One is the Pi network's decision to extend its KYC and mainnet migration deadline. Beyond that, discussions have also emerged about Pi coin potentially being included in the U.S. crypto reserve. With Donald Trump reaffirming his commitment to making the U.S. the global hub for crypto, some believe that Pi coin could be added to the list of strategic assets. That is, alongside Bitcoin, XRP, SOL, and ADA. As the market looks ahead, all eyes are now on Pi Day, which falls on Friday, March 14th. Many traders and analysts expect key announcements that could impact Pi coin's price. According to Pi coin enthusiast Dr. Picoin, the token is currently retesting the $1.80 resistance level. If it manages to break through, it could surpass $2 once again this week, he said. For now, investors are watching closely to see if Pi coin can continue defying market trends or if a correction is on the horizon. Pi price breaks resistance, $1.95 area key for future trend. Pi network's long-awaited mainnet launch was on February 20th, generating excitement, but the price fell immediately after it. Nevertheless, the Pi coin price surged after its initial fall, despite a decline in the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Pi reached a new all-time high on February 27th before pulling back, trading slightly below its launch price. What's next for Pi? Let's look at the charts and find out. Pi price breaks out. The Pi price had fallen under a descending resistance trend line since its all-time high of $3 in February, culminating with a low of $1.51 on March 2nd. Afterward, Pi bounced, breaking out from the trend line the next day. However, the price was rejected by the $1.95 horizontal resistance area, which has existed since launch. PI fell afterward and trades close to its pre-breakout level. Whether it reclaims $1.95 will be critical for the future PI trend. Technical indicators lean bullish. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, are increasing. Furthermore, the RSI just crossed above 50 while the MACD crossed above 0. So, the price action and technical indicators lean bullish, though they do not confirm the future trend's direction. What's next for PI? Similarly to the PI price action, the wave count leans bullish. According to the count, PI completed a 5-wave increase, characterized by its symmetrical triangle in wave 4. After the all-time high, there is a distinct ABC corrective structure which ends with the low of $1.51 on March 2nd. Waves A and C had nearly the same length, ending at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement support level, green icon, supporting the likelihood that this is the correct count. Looking for a safe place to buy and sell PI? See the leading platforms for buying and selling PI. A decisive close above the $1.95 horizontal resistance area will confirm this possibility, triggering an increase to at least $2.40. The reaction once it gets there can confirm if the increase is just a relief rally or the beginning of an upward movement toward new highs. On the other hand, failure to reclaim $1.95 could drop the PI price to the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement support level at $1.11, deepening the correction. Whichever may be the case, it seems that PI trend is bullish. The price started a 5-wave upward movement in February and is now correcting as a result of it. Bullish PI trend. The PI price regained its footing after its initial decline, surging to a new all-time high on February 27th. While the PI price has fallen since, it recently broke out from a resistance trend line, a sign the correction could be over. Reclaiming the $1.95 resistance can catalyze an increase toward at least $2.40.